In this video, we will learn about the difference between cold and flu. We will check the ways of prevention and we will learn home remedies. So by watching this video, you will experience a shorter period of illness and be treated faster. Hello friends, welcome to Health Tips and Tricks. Treat flu and cold very fast with 10 tricks. Difference between flu and cold. Colds and flu may seem similar at first. They are respiratory diseases and can cause similar symptoms. However, the viruses that cause these two diseases are different. Knowing the symptoms and severity of each can help to differentiate between these two diseases. This table will help you to diagnose flu and cold. Flu symptoms in children. In addition to the previous symptoms, the flu virus may also have other symptoms in children, such as reluctance to drink liquids, cry without tears, no waking up and interacting with others, inability to eat, fever with skin rashes, restless, decreased urination. In children, the diagnosis of flu and cold is difficult. If your children don't have a high fever or other severe symptoms, they probably have a cold. Can a cold turn into the flu? No, it cannot. Can the flu cause other problems? Yes. Sinusitis, ear infection, pneumonia, and sepsis. Prevention of flu and colds. There is no vaccination for colds, but there are vaccines to prevent the flu. Flu vaccines are updated each year based on the most common strains of the flu virus. Avoiding any contact with infected people. Washing hands regularly. Avoid touching the eyes, nose, and mouth. Regular cleaning and disinfection of various surfaces at home and work. Getting enough sleep. Sufficient physical activity. Consuming a lot of water and liquids. Eating healthy food. Daily room air conditioning. Not exposed to any kind of cigarette smoke. Reducing stress. You can use ginger to reduce stress. You can see the video link of ginger properties at the top of the picture and on the end screen. Home remedies for fast cold and flu treatment. Gargle salt water. Gargling salt water is one of the flu home remedies that can relieve a sore throat. This also helps to remove mucus. Boil the water and then let it cool. Then mix half a teaspoon of salt with a glass of water. Apply salt water to the back of your throat and gargle for about 10 to 30 seconds to rinse your mouth and throat. Rinse your mouth and repeat this 3 to 4 times. Never swallow the salt water. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Drink water and fluids. Water helps keep the nose, mouth, and throat moist. This moisture helps the body to get rid of the accumulation of mucus and phlegm. Drink hot broth and chicken soup. Eating chicken soup, beef soup, or broth is a good way to help keep your body hydrated. Also, these foods help reduce and eliminate nasal and sinus congestion. Bone broth is a rich source of protein and minerals such as sodium and potassium. Eating bone broth is a good way to enrich the body with these nutrients when you have the flu. In addition, protein is very important for the regeneration of immune cells. To prepare the bone broth, boil beef bones for 10 hours on low heat. You can also freeze the remaining extract and keep it for later use. Increase zinc intake. Taking zinc is one of the effective home remedies for flu. The mineral zinc is very essential for the immune system. This nutrient helps white blood cells fight germs and reduce cold and flu symptoms. During the flu season, take zinc supplements or multivitamins containing zinc. You can also get plenty of zinc from a well-balanced daily diet. Foods rich in zinc include red meat, oysters, lentils, chickpeas, beans, nuts, vegetable seeds, eggs, and burdocks. Special herbal tea. Prepare a special herbal tea with these ingredients: green tea, turmeric, ginger, fresh garlic, carnation, cinnamon, star anise. Put all these ingredients in a teapot. Add boiling water to it and put it on very low heat for 20 minutes. Add pure honey to your herbal tea at the time of consumption. Use an environmental humidifier. Sleep well and enough. Try not to have an activity that causes fatigue. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Have a proper diet. One of the effective home remedies for flu is paying attention to diet. Eating soft, low-calorie, low-fiber, cooked foods is the best diet. BRAT diet: bananas, rice, apple puree, toast, cracker, baked cereal, oats and cream of wheat. gelatin, boiled potato, grilled or boiled chicken, sweet orange juice. Foods that you should not eat when you have the digestive flu: milk, cheese, caffeine, spicy foods, fried foods, fatty foods, alcohol. When should we see a doctor? If you have a fever above 38 degrees Celsius, if the symptoms do not improve after 1 or 2 weeks, difficulty breathing, chest pain, shivering or sweating, abnormal mucus color, blood in the mucus, severe cough. People suffering from these diseases should see a doctor immediately if they suspect the flu, heart disease, pulmonary disease, diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, stroke, epilepsy, sickle cell anemia. Finally, tell us about your experience. Which flu home remedies do you recommend to improve its symptoms? Share your experiences with us and others.